Welcome to Drawing with Callie. How to draw a gruff cat. So first you draw the head high, and then you draw, like for the head you draw like an oval, then you draw 2 triangles on top of the oval. And then you draw smaller triangles inside those triangles. And then you draw V's inside the oval. And then you draw circles under the V's for the eyes. Then you draw an upside down triangle for the nose. Then you draw a line coming out of the nose for the whiskers. Then you draw an upside down V for the mouth. And shading those eyes. Now for the body, you draw an even bigger oval under that oval. And then that's it for the body. Now you draw his arms. You draw 2 straight lines, and then you go curvy. And then you draw lines inside that curvy line and draw another line on top of it and connect them. And then you do the same on the other. And then for the feet, you draw a straight line down, 2 straight lines down, and same on the other. And then draw sideways U's for the feet. And then you draw lines in those sideways U's. Now it's time to color. Are you done? That's it. Now don't forget to write your name and date. See you next time on Drawing with Callie. That's it for now. Bye-bye.